Look who's back in New York. Today is Club Haropeko meeting 4. We're doing a summertime rooftop barbecue. Cookbook Club. What's up, Euro?
Hi.
Lauren, look at her. Broadway show ready. New dad. We're grilling.
We're grilling.
Yeah.
I'm in pain.
I know, you are so hungover.
Yeah.
We're socializing him right now, but he's doing a good job in class. So I'm very grateful. He's doing very good.
She's so freaking cute.
That's Thank you for inviting me. You're in charge of recording whatever Hoa tells you to record.
I'm going out on my own time.
I got my meat.
Sauce is
And
great.
the
Look who's back.
Hello.
Alright, ready to shit talk? Just Whoa!